I would like to uh, thank Secretary Vince for sharing with me the files that I uploaded on Facebook. And I would like to repeat that Yusek Claire Castro will make a fool of herself when Secretary Vince and many others will confirm the authenticity of the files that I uploaded. And I would like to dispute the claims of Congressman Redon na ako ay sinungaling dahil si Congressman Redon ang sinungaling. Dahil ang sinabi ko, ang Bicol Saro Party List ay may insertion. At yan po ay well proven. At I will upload the relevant documents as well. And ngayon naman, sa 2026 budget, lahat ng congressman ay may chance to submit their own 150M annual DPWH net insertion. Not all avail, but all can submit. And these have come out in the DPWH budget. Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling. Ang mga nagsasabi na ang congressman ay walang insertion sa NEP ng DPWH na 150 million pesos ang sinungaling.